Look at that. Woo! You could pick up a DSLR. Handle it. Waterproof or water resistance. Here you go. Here you go. Obstacle avoidance still working? Okay. Wow. You can handle it. Uh-oh. Waterproof drone. Oh, he's handling it. Woo! Oh! Yeah! Yeah, I did it. Let's go back. Make sure the back sensor is wet. You can see the drone is wet. That's a whole gallon. Wow! EVO. Wow! Look at this guy. Woo! Go ahead. It's windy right now. It's blowing. The controller still works. You can see the controller is still working. Wow, obstacle, back obstacle avoidance still working. See that? See the throttle? Alright. Front obstacle avoidance still working. Good job. Wow, I'm surprised with this guy. Woohoo! Alright. Okay. Alright, he impressed me. Alright. Wow. So it's worth it, guys, for your money. It's worth it for your buck. Alright, we're gonna do one more here. We're gonna do one more. This is recording. Another round, another shot. Shot. Woohoo! Oh man, Superman. Those guys are pink. Now you guys got the answer. Finished 2 bottles. And of course, the video is a little bit wet, but that can come off. Let's see how's the backup obstacle avoidance. Alright, I'm gonna go turn this off. Wow, this guy did it. Surprise, man. EVO did it. He did it. Let's see how's the backup obstacle avoidance. Alright, I'm gonna go turn this off. Wow, this guy did it. Surprise. EVO. Did it. Woo. Back obstacle avoidance still working. Let's go ahead. So the front obstacle avoidance is not working because see that wet? You guys can see it's wet with water. But I'm gonna go and turn off the drone and I'm gonna turn it back on. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright? He's back up. Front obstacle avoidance is on. See, it's not coming to me. It's just wet right now. It's It's low on battery. The front obstacle avoidance working. See that? You just gotta dry it off. So you got it on, it's not coming up to me. Let's look at the back obstacle avoidance. Yep, here you go. Back obstacle avoidance got me. It's just a little wet too. But see what I'm talking about? This is recording. Woohoo! See the answer. It's a tank. The only way you'll crash this guy if you do something really stupid. All right, something dumb that you did. This guy right here, it is his job. It's supposed to do his job. Even though when you're flying this in the rain and you start storming like crazy, EVO can still come back to home, all right, without no problem. Okay, and guess what? The obstacle avoidance, you might not think it's not working, but it's actually working because it's just wet. You see it now. See that? And of course, the same thing with the back. Not the back obstacle avoidance working. It's just the fact that it's just wet. All right, just letting. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and